A glimpse into tomorrow. 10 futuristic gadgets with world-changing potential. Fasten your seatbelts, visionaries. We're embarking on a journey into the realm of tomorrow, exploring 10 futuristic gadgets with the potential to revolutionize our world. Number 10. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, merging mind and machine. Imagine a world where thoughts translate directly into actions. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are poised to make this a reality. By deciphering brainwaves, BCIs could revolutionize communication for individuals with paralysis or locked-in syndrome. Number 9. 3D printing for organs. Bioprinting a healthier future. The wait for organ transplants might soon be a thing of the past. 3D bioprinting technology offers the potential to create functional organs using a patient's own cells. This could eliminate the life-threatening wait times associated with organ shortages and revolutionize the field of medicine. Number 8. Self-driving cars, a driverless revolution on the horizon. Self-driving cars are no longer the stuff of science fiction. Autonomous vehicles are being rigorously tested and developed by leading tech giants and automotive manufacturers. These advancements promise a future with reduced traffic accidents, increased efficiency, and improved mobility for all. Number 7. Smart homes, personalized living at your fingertips. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs. Smart home technology, with its network of interconnected devices, is making this vision a reality. From regulating temperature to controlling appliances with voice commands, smart homes offer a level of convenience and personalization unlike ever before. Number 6. Hyperloop transportation, breaking the speed barrier. Hyperloop technology envisions high-speed travel through pressurized tubes at near-sonic speeds. This could revolutionize transportation, drastically reducing travel times between cities. While still under development, Hyperloop systems hold the potential to transform the way we travel. Number 5. Advanced robotics, the rise of collaborative machines. Robots are no longer relegated to factory floors. Advanced robotics is paving the way for collaborative robots, or cobots, designed to work alongside humans in various industries. These intelligent machines can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex endeavors. Number 4. Wearable health monitors, keeping you in the loop. Wearable health monitors are becoming increasingly sophisticated. These devices can track a vast array of health metrics, from heart rate and sleep patterns to blood oxygen levels and even stress levels. This real-time data empowers individuals to take a more proactive approach to their health and well-being. Number 3. Vertical farming, cultivating the future. As the global population continues to grow, innovative solutions for food production are crucial. Vertical farming utilizes controlled environments and stacked layers to cultivate crops in urban areas. This method offers the potential to increase food production while minimizing land usage and environmental impact. Number 2. Advanced recycling technologies, closing the loop on waste. Traditional recycling methods often have limitations. Advanced recycling technologies, like chemical recycling, aim to break down waste materials into their basic building blocks, allowing for the creation of new products from old. This could significantly reduce landfill waste and promote a more circular economy. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, a force for progress, but with caution. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly evolving, impacting numerous aspects of our lives. From facial recognition technology to AI-powered chatbots, the capabilities of AI are expanding rapidly. While AI offers immense potential for progress, ethical considerations and responsible development are paramount. Stay tuned for more explorations of cutting-edge technology and its impact on our world. Subscribe to our channel and unlock a future of possibilities. And leave a comment below if you like the video. Thumbs up.